Welcome to our channel. 5 Best Used Engines Under $500 in 2025. Don't trust the "looks good" pitch. You're not buying a showpiece, you're buying a motor. Forget how clean it looks. Focus on compression, mileage, and any proof of it actually running. A good seller will let you hear it idle or show a test video. If they don't, walk away. Check junkyards and pull-apart yards first. You'd be shocked how many gems are sitting in local salvage yards. Most of these places price by engine size, not by brand. That means a 2.0L Honda engine could cost the same as a 2.0L Dodge one, even if the Honda's way more reliable. Call around, ask what's on the lot, and don't be scared to negotiate. Facebook Marketplace, fancy engine websites. Beelines, Gearshift, and all those polished sites are fine, but Facebook Marketplace is where you'll find those real steals. People dump engines cheap just to clear space. Just make sure to meet somewhere safe, check the block and head for cracks, and always bring someone who knows engines if you're not confident. Look for "running before pulled" in the listing. This is your golden phrase. Running before pulled usually means the car was wrecked, not dead. That's what you want, an engine from a crashed car, not a failed one. Ask for the VIN or donor car details so you can confirm the story. If they get weird about it, it's probably junk. Looking for quality used auto parts? Call us at 888-752-4286 for reliable used engines and transmissions today. Avoid "too good to be true" deals. If someone's offering a complete V6 or V8 for $250 and claiming it's perfect, don't even bother. There's always a catch: seized pistons, cracked heads, blown gaskets, something. A legit running used engine under $500 is usually small, 4-cylinder, high mileage, or just an older model. Be realistic and you'll actually land something worth the cash. Thank you for watching.